to the farm. This is the farm's portraits, day 2 after getting the chicks. So this is where our feed has been stuck, so I deliberately separated it from being stuck like that, being piled up from one feed to another, from one bag to another, because I wanted to be seen in case there are any bugs trying to crawl up and make their way through the sacks. This is day 2. Unfortunately, we suffered one fatality today. One chick that passed on probably in the morning when it was very cold, but it was weak even upon arrival. So here are the birds, guys. As you can see, by the grace of God, our birds are doing fine. This is our first time, and this is our second day. Thank you very much. I just wanted to make this update today. Sorry I made it this late in the evening, but then this is our update today. And as you can see, we do not have electricity. We're running this poultry without electricity, so we're using these rechargeable lamps, lights rather, to light up the place. And then we're using the braziers, as you can see, to keep the chicks warm and healthy. As you can see, because of the good heat, as you can see, the white feathers are sprouting because of the good heat that has been available. So in case, in an event where we have less heat, we're dropping these blinders that we've made for ourselves. We're calling blinders, but they're just plastics that we stack up and stuff. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave your comments, and let's exchange ideas. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.